I recently represented someone in Palm Beach County who was accused of DUI, and we successfully got them into the first-time offender DUI program in Palm Beach County. First, you have to determine if you're eligible for that program, and there's a number of factors. I'll give you a few here. One of them is you would have needed to take a breath test, and your breath couldn't have been above 0.20. Couldn't have had a minor in the car with you. There couldn't have been a crash. Any of those things render you ineligible for we call it a diversion program. But if you are eligible, the state attorney's office in Palm Beach County gives you 2 months to complete 4 tasks. And those 4 tasks are 20 hours of community service, something called a victim impact panel, which you can do online. It takes about 3 hours. Installation of an interlock on your ignition, which is essentially a breath test every time you want to drive, and to successfully complete DUI school. If you do all of those things, the state attorney's office changes the charge from DUI to reckless, and they do something called withholding of adjudication. And what that does is it gives you the potential to get this charge sealed off your record. Once that happens, though, you'll be placed into probation, and the probation you're going to go into, there's Tier 1 and Tier 2. Tier 1 is for people who blew below a 0.15, and Tier 2 is for people who blew between 0.15 and 0.20. And the conditions of probation are going to be a little bit different based on what tier you're in. If you or anyone you know in Palm Beach County is facing DUI charges and has questions about getting into the first-time offender program, please don't hesitate to contact us at the website seen below. Thank you.